few minutes before the ceremony. Last words, Danny?
Last word.
Well, no, I shouldn't put it that way.
Help.
Help!
Always waking up from a dream, remembering how it felt to fall into how.
In case you don't know me, I'm Sean. I'm one of Danny's brothers. Happy to be a groomsman. I was asked to do a speech, and just so you know, I'm a big crier. So big crier. I thought we'd start off with a few jokes. All right, so here we go. How many software developers does it take to change a light bulb? None. That's a hardware issue.
Holding my breath, don't lose the moment. Here at the edge, our hearts are open, falling again. Your hands I'm holding.
I can honestly say, as far as pairings go, they complement each other so well. Anyone that knows them knows this. They remind me of some great pairings. Wine and cheese, vodka and soda, tequila and lime, gin and tonic. All of our favorite things, basically. You guys, you're so good together.
Our hearts are open.
There's a video that we have. We did a lot of home videos as kids, and there's a video that is on YouTube. I won't share it, but there, where Danny, at about 3 years old, said that he really, really wanted to marry Cinderella. Now,
Cinderella.
it didn't work out. But you are as beautiful. You're more beautiful than Cinderella today, and I wish you both. And I wish you both
Good save.
happily ever after.